Okay, I'm doing a quick unboxing video. This is the Steamroller I got a few months ago. I don't think I ever had one of these. Cool looking barrel. Those are awesome looking. Minifigure, kind of a spaz. Pop it open. Small set. I'll build it. This won't get scrapped. Oh, those are cool looking. Okay, I do have something like that, I think. I think there's 3 of those. Big wheels. The world's largest tire manufacturer. Yes, Lego makes more tires than anybody else. Cool looking. Simple. And here's that's cool outfit. Blue hands are awesome. That's kind of cool. Blue hands, more pieces. Instructions. Is that something on there? Did I just lose data stickers? Hmm. Instructions look relatively easy. Just looking at this. Yeah, stickers. Huh. No idea where those went. Still. Oh, alright, no. They're printed on. Alright. That is a really cool side, actually. I like that. Small, simple, more construction dudes. Rotorwork side. Alright, that is the Lego Construction Steamroller unboxing. Later.